It is far better to save your efforts for something that will actually improve someone's life instead of trying to make everyone like you. You will drive yourself crazy and to be disappointed in the end when people still don't like you. It is more important to be good person than to try to impress people with how nice you are. Don't spend time on things that don't matter. Don't waste your time on unimportant things. Only spend time on things that matter. Don't try too hard to impress people. You can't impress everyone, so don't waste your time on it. It's good to be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it to others. If you are a good person, people will notice anyway. Keep doing good things. Help others whenever possible. Be a good person. It's good to be nice to others. The world would be a much better place if everyone was kind to another. Don't spend time trying to improve how good you are.